In DeskManager Online, you have the option to record payments that have been collected or process payments directly through an integrated payment processor. Our video tutorial will cover the various types of deals and the steps involved in collecting payments on these deals, including online payment options. To collect payments, simply go to the Accounting section in the side menu and select Accounting List. This feature is accessible from any location within DeskManager. The accounting list contains sold deals that are awaiting collection. A summary is located to the right of each open account. The information displayed in this summary depends on the type of deal. Retail cash and wholesale deals display the vehicle's asking price, sale date, and due from buyer. Retail finance deals display the asking price, sale date, due from lender, and down payment due. BHPH deals display a litany of information from payments due, due dates, various balances, and late fees. To initiate payment collection, select the customer's name after you have identified the specific deal. Along the top banner of the Account Summaries page, you'll see an option to collect payment. Click Collect Payment to collect from the buyer. If you have chosen to finance the deal, there will be an option called Lender Payment. You can click on this option to collect payment from the bank or finance company. Whichever option you choose, the payment collection process is the same. For this example, we'll click on Collect Payment. Pending payments appear along the top, such as the down payment and payoff. Click on the paper icon beside a pending payment you'd like to collect. This will copy that payment into the amount field below. You may instead enter the amount paid manually, which may be necessary when a customer makes a partial payment. Please choose the payment method and provide a reference number, such as a check number, if applicable. Additionally, please indicate the date of payment. Finally, you have the option to enter any notes that may be relevant to this payment. By default, DeskManager will automatically calculate the allocation for the payment. You can view the payment allocation in the section below. However, you may change this allocation if desired. If you want to reset the changes made to allocations, click Reset Allocation. Next, check whether you want to email a receipt, print a receipt, or both. These receipt options are automatically selected by default. When you're ready to collect payment, click Apply. When a customer chooses to pay with a card, you have the option to process the transaction through an integrated payment processor. If you have already configured your payment processor, simply click on Online Payment. First, select whether the customer is paying with a credit or debit card. Then click Add New Payment Type. Please input the customer's billing details. If you want to process the payment online, select the Card Not Present option. This will open a pop-up where you may enter the customer's credit card information. If the customer has their card, click Card Present and run the card through your point-of-sale device. If the charge was successful, a window will pop up to confirm the transaction. The card used for the first transaction will be saved for future use, but you can always add a new card if necessary. Thank you for watching this video. If you have any questions or issues, please reach out to our technical support team.